So I hit my free limit of 15 minutes on the last video, but what I was talking about on the last video was looking for the evidence that the author of So Does a Problem But included to support the argument. And remember, I was saying looking for facts. Okay, so now question 5 is why we went through all of this work. So going back to the beginning, we looked at what strong argumentative writing has. It has facts. It doesn't rely on fallacies like overgeneralization and slippery slope. We did some practice. Then we analyzed. We looked at the claims for both arguments. We looked for examples of logical fallacy. We looked for facts. So now you have everything you need to answer this question. Which writer provides a more convincing, and I'm going to put this in here, stronger argument? Explain your answer. So you're going to write a paragraph that answers this question. So you've got to choose which one is more convincing. So things to remember: the more convincing or stronger argument has facts and little logical fallacy. So you are looking for the argument. Remember, you're going to choose one of these, ban the ban, or you're going to choose So Does a Problem But. So you're going to choose one of those, the one that you think is the most convincing argument. You're going to choose the one that has more facts and less fallacy. Then you're going to write your paragraph. When reading the arguments, and then you're going to put in the title of your argument. The more convincing argument is, and you're going to tell me which one's more convincing. The claim of this argument is, going to put in the claim. The writer supports the claim with facts. For example, you're going to pick out a fact and put that in there. The other argument uses less facts I don't know why I keep getting two F's. All right. The other argument uses less facts and more logical fallacies. For example, and you're going to give us a logical fallacy. Therefore, is the more convincing argument because, and then you're going to finish out that paragraph. So when comparing two pieces, you need to give examples from both pieces. Okay. I have set you up for success. Again, this right here is not a part of your answer. That's just me reminding you the more convincing argument has facts and little logical fallacy. Okay. So this is going to be your frame for writing. You can also just write on your own. That's just to help you out since I'm not in the room. I look forward to reading what you came up with. Have a great weekend.